Developing a 3D printed part can be tedious, especially when 3D models require many repairs, edits, and design refinements. Quick turnaround is practically impossible, and your time to manufacture suffers as a result. ANSYS Discovery SpaceClaim makes it easier to prepare models for 3D printing. Repair, edit, or optimize any CAD or STL file. Its intuitive user interface has a full suite of tools that streamlines your workflows, reducing time for all your 3D printing processes before you even hit the print button. With Discovery SpaceClaim, you can work directly with STL files or leverage our automated prep tools for both solids and mesh data. For example, if certain regions of your model contain poor quality facets, the one-button autofix will patch over any residual openings and repair facets. Where more control is desired, there's an automatic detection and fill-in of holes. It even accounts for nearby curvature, intelligently inferring design intent. SpaceClaim supports not only the shelling of complex models, but also includes many infilling options. You have complete control over things like sizing, spacing, and axis of the infill for ideal strength to weight ratios. Even create a custom infill from any surface body, or vary your densities, and use thickness detection to check for areas falling below tolerance. Next, SpaceClaim's overhang button will tell you exactly where support material is needed. And finally, use the color mapping in the deviation tool to highlight the differences between any two models. SpaceClaim is equipped with a few facet smoothing options for handling faceted data and sharing a desirable final print. When we introduced the Skin Surface tool, we made it faster and easier to reconstruct STL files. The tool gives you several methods of recreation, all by using simple and common SpaceClaim selection and modeling techniques, and we have plenty of tutorials you can watch to learn more. What's most impressive is our new AutoSkin tool, which generates CAD geometry from faceted models that are relatively smooth and error-free. We have really automated the process, and with a single click, you can save valuable design time. Quickly build solids as desired, make copies to duplicate your work, and merge solids and STLs into one environment. Regardless of your goal, you'll find answers with automated prep tools for both solids and mesh data, invaluable to any additive or generative design process. Working with faceted data has never been faster or easier, but there's much more than just model prep tools for 3D printing. ANSYS Discovery SpaceClaim offers capabilities like full assembly editing, design, and part creation, 2D drawings, and much more. You'll be productive with this tool from the start.